Hi everyone, my name's Simon and welcome to another episode of the Maserati Guy. So in this episode we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Bulgari Octo Maserati GranSport watch, which I gave you a little teaser of in a video a short while ago. So we're going to be unboxing, then having a look in detail at the features and the construction and the various complications, and I'll be giving you my thoughts about it at the end. The watch is presented in a beautiful wooden box in Maserati blue. It's felt lined and it really shows off the watch to its best. Underneath the cover is a pair of Bulgari branded gloves, a cleaning cloth and a loop for inspecting the incredible craftsmanship on this watch. The watch is minimalist in its design, showing just hours and minutes. The minutes are indicated by a single hand which rotates around a rev counter inspired dial, and the hours are displayed through a circular aperture at the 3 o'clock position. The rev counter influence is accentuated by the red line in blue between the 5 and 6, and by the need to multiply the indications by 10 to obtain the actual minutes. The case is stainless steel with a diamond-like carbon finish and has a glass caseback for inspecting the movement. And is water resistant to 100 meters thanks to a screw-down crown. The movement is Bulgari's in-house caliber 262, beating at 4 Hz and with a 42-hour power reserve. The retrograde minutes moves almost instantaneously and can only be seen in slow motion. The watch has a finely crafted deployant clasp, and the blue stitching in the leather strap evokes the fine Italian upholstery in the cars themselves. So I hope you enjoyed that little tour of the Bulgari Octo Maserati GranSport. I've had it now for a couple of days and I really like it. I really like the unusualness of the display. I really like the fact that it's got these two complications which are actually interesting from a watchmaking horological point of view. The retrograde minutes and the jumping hour, two really interesting complications. I also love the fact that it's got the tie-in with Maserati. It looks amazing on the wrist. The only downside is that obviously having learned to read the time just by looking at the hands on a clock or watch instantaneously, this now actually engages my brain if I want to actually tell the time, because I actually have to think now. I can't just look at the position of the minute hand and just work out what time it is. I actually need to think about what the time is, but I'm sure that will change with a bit of wearing the watch. So generally, absolutely love it. Love the way it looks on the wrist. Very happy with it. I hope you've enjoyed this little introduction to the Bulgari Octo Maserati GranSport watch. If you did enjoy it, give the like a click. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos. I'm on Instagram at Maserati Guy 2017. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed that little tour of the Maserati Octo, what's it called? I have no idea.